Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MS20 Rider. So today is 21st November and we are going to Goa for RiderMania 2019. It's 4 in morning, we just left from Pune. I was in Pune and my friends came from Aurangabad. So there are lots of riders in the way. We are 4 peoples, me, Yash, Ameya and DJ Sir. Yash is on his brand new Himalayan. He just bought some day before our ride. So it's all dark here. We'll meet in some time. Till then, enjoy this music. So guys, we stopped couple of times in the ride, but I didn't record anything. So let's go to point where all riders stop before leaving NH48 highway.
सो गाइस अभी निपानी से आगे आए हम और ये राइट टर्न है, ये होटल है गोवा अवेस बोल के। तो यहाँ पर सब राइडर्स अभी जमा है सब। अभी यहाँ से राइट टर्न लेंगे और सीधा गोवा। सो ये डीजे सर मास्क में, यश, और ये हमें गॉगल्स ढूंढ रहा है। इसका गॉगल मिल नहीं रहा है।
वाइल्ड स्टोन के साथ अमय
आता ये का चला।
So guys, now the Amboli Ghat will start. This ghat is amazing and beautiful road with lots of turn. We really enjoyed riding in this ghat section. So enjoy this road.
थांबायचं हां नाही ना शूट केलं मी आधी चल चल.
So guys, after this guard section, my camera battery died and I didn't shot anything. We reached Goa and it took a lot of time to find our hotel set. So we were tired, we ate food and slept. So guys, how was this video? Let me know in the comment section below and please like the video. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So see you in next video guys.